Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Vibe. Today, we're diving into an interesting yet somewhat overlooked smartphone, the Oukitel K7000. This phone may not be the latest flagship, but it has some unique features that make it stand out in the budget smartphone market. Let's break down everything you need to know about the Oukitel K7000, from its design to its performance and that intriguing battery solution. First off, the design. The Oukitel K7000 is sleek and slim, which is surprising given the focus on battery life. It measures just 8.65 mm thick and weighs about 158 grams, making it comfortable to hold. The metal frame gives it a slightly premium feel despite being a budget phone. On the front, you get a 5-inch HD IPS display with a resolution of 1280 by 720 pixels. It's not the sharpest display on the market, but for a phone in this price range, it's clear and vibrant enough for everyday use like browsing, watching videos, and social media. Under the hood, the Oukitel K7000 is powered by a MediaTek MT6737 processor, a quad-core chip clocked at 1.3 GHz. It's paired with 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal storage, which you can expand with a microSD card up to 32 GB. Performance-wise, it's fine for basic tasks. You can browse the web, check your emails, and use social media apps without much trouble. However, when you try to push it with heavy multitasking or graphic-intensive games, you'll notice some lag and slowdowns. This isn't a powerhouse, but it's decent if you keep your expectations in check. Now, one of the most unique things about the Oukitel K7000 is its battery situation. The phone itself comes with a modest 2000 mAh battery, which isn't huge by today's standards. However, Oukitel includes a special accessory called the Matrix battery case. This case adds an additional 5000 mAh of power, effectively giving you a total of 7000 mAh. This is a clever solution if you need extra battery life but don't want to carry a separate power bank. With the battery case attached, you can easily go 2 days or more without needing to charge. Without the case, though, you might find yourself reaching for the charger by the end of the day with heavy use. On the camera front, the Oukitel K7000 has a 5MP rear camera interpolated to 8MP and a 2MP front camera interpolated to 5MP. In good lighting, the rear camera can capture acceptable photos for social media. Colors are decent, and there's an LED flash for low light situations. However, don't expect flagship level image quality. Low light performance is weak, with noticeable noise and a lack of sharpness. The front-facing camera is fine for basic selfies and video calls, but nothing impressive. In terms of software, the K7000 runs on Android 6.0 Marshmallow. While it's a clean version without too much bloatware, the software is outdated. This means you miss out on newer Android features and security updates. If you just want a simple phone to handle basic tasks, this won't be a major issue, but it's something to keep in mind. Connectivity-wise, you get dual SIM support, 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.0, GPS, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. It covers all the basics, but there are no fancy extras like NFC or a fingerprint sensor. So, who is the Oukitel K7000 for? If you want an affordable smartphone with a unique battery solution, it's worth considering. It's great for light users who prioritize battery life over raw performance. But if you need a more powerful phone or the latest software, there are better options out there. The modular battery concept is clever, and for the right user, it could be a game changer. That wraps up our review of the Oukitel K7000. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Would you buy a phone with a modular battery, or do you prefer a larger built-in battery? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews right here on Tech Vibe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.